Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the largest free cloud storage in the world. If you're looking for the largest free cloud storage in the world, there are a few options to choose from. However, it's important to note that there is no such thing as truly unlimited free cloud storage. Let's check out the intro. All cloud storage providers have some kind of limits, either on the amount of the storage space you can use, or the number of files you can upload, or the amount of bandwidth you can consume. The largest free cloud storage provider. Here are the largest free cloud storage provider in the world based on the amount of storage space they offer. Mega. Mega offer 20 GB of free storage space. pCloud. pCloud offer 10 GB of free storage space. Sync. Sync offer 5 GB of free storage space. Digo. Digo offer 100 GB of free storage space. IceDrive offer 10 GB of free storage space. Mediafire offer 10 GB of free storage space. OneDrive offer 5 GB of free storage space, and Dropbox offer 2 GB of free storage space. Which free cloud storage provider is right for you? The best free cloud storage provider for you will depend on your individual needs. If you need a lot of storage space, then Mega or Digo are good options for you. If you need a cloud storage provider that is focused on security and privacy, then pCloud or Sync are good options for you. If you need a cloud storage provider that is easy to use, then Dropbox or OneDrive are good options for you. How to choose the right free cloud storage provider. When choosing a right free cloud storage provider, here are a few things to keep in mind. Storage space. How much storage space do you need? Features. What features are important to you? Some cloud storage providers offer features such as file sharing, collaboration tools, backup, and recovery. Storage and privacy. How important is storage and privacy to you? Some cloud storage providers offer strong security and privacy features than others. Easy of use. How easy is the cloud storage provider to use? Customer support. Does the cloud storage provider offer good customer support? Here are some additional tips for choosing the right free cloud storage provider. Read reviews of different free cloud storage providers. This will help you to understand the pros and cons of different providers. Try out different free cloud storage providers before you commit to one. Many cloud storage providers offer free trials. Get help from a cloud storage expert. If you need help choosing the right free cloud storage provider, you can get help from a cloud storage expert. By following these tips, you can choose the best free cloud storage provider for your needs. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.